Meta, formerly known as Facebook, has been at the forefront of redefining how humans interact with digital worlds, and the Quest series has been its torchbearer. The Quest 4, expected to launch in late 2025, promises to be the most powerful and intelligent VR headset ever created by Meta, aiming not just to outdo its predecessor, the Quest 3, but to revolutionize the way we perceive and engage with virtual spaces. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Unlike its predecessors, the Meta Quest 4 is rumored to be built around the brand new Qualcomm Snapdragon XR3 Gen 2 chipset, delivering a quantum leap in both processing power and graphical performance. Early developer sources indicate this chipset offers nearly 2.5x the GPU performance of the XR2 Gen 2 found in the Quest 3. That means faster loading times, ultra-low latency, and more lifelike rendering. Games and apps will not only look better but will feel smoother and more responsive. Combined with a custom AI accelerator, the Quest 4 will take spatial computing to a new frontier, one where the virtual blends seamlessly with reality. But what truly sets the Quest 4 apart is its focus on generative AI integration. Meta's Reality Labs has been aggressively pushing forward with AI research, and the Quest 4 will be the first consumer headset to deeply embed AI avatars, world-building tools, and adaptive environments. Whether you're crafting new virtual worlds or interacting with AI NPCs in games that evolve based on your behavior, the Quest 4 will offer unprecedented freedom and intelligence. Your personal metaverse will no longer be static. It will evolve with you. The display technology also sees a massive upgrade. The Meta Quest 4 is expected to feature dual 2160 by 2160 mini LED panels with 120 Hz refresh rate and local dimming, offering improved contrast and reduced motion blur. This makes long gaming sessions easier on the eyes and brings realism that was previously reserved for high-end PC VR systems. Additionally, full color pass-through with 4K front-facing cameras is expected, enabling high-fidelity mixed reality experiences. This means you can switch between full VR and augmented reality modes with stunning clarity and low latency. Another groundbreaking upgrade is the new AI-driven eye and face tracking system. These enhancements aren't just for presence. They are at the core of what Meta calls Emotion Sync, a next-gen avatar animation system that mirrors your facial expressions and eye movements in real time. In VR meetings, social hangouts, or multiplayer games, your digital avatar will reflect your real-world emotional cues, making interactions feel significantly more human. When it comes to design, the Meta Quest 4 is lighter, sleeker, and more ergonomic than ever before. Leaks suggest a redesigned head strap with enhanced weight distribution and a modular faceplate that allows for better ventilation and comfort during extended sessions. The Quest 4 also ditches the foam facial interface in favor of a breathable mesh fabric with built-in haptics, allowing you to feel environmental elements like wind, vibration, or subtle feedback during gameplay. It's a bold attempt to close the gap between virtual sensation and physical immersion. The controllers, too, get a complete overhaul. The Meta Quest 4 is expected to come with haptic feedback Touch Pro Plus controllers that feature adaptive resistance triggers, improved hand tracking, and longer battery life. Meta is also reportedly working on controller-free navigation powered by hand and